What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Eluder Racing. We got another episode and another product review. And you guessed it, it's from my buddies over there at Matco Tools. Today this is exciting because I've been looking forward to doing the review on this. And I've had this for a little bit. My tool guy hooked me up on it. And I've been waiting to do the review. So yeah, I'm excited to open this up and share with you a little bit of info about it and let you see firsthand what it is that I got, and I'm going to be seeing it for the first time myself. So today this is it's a 23-piece pliers and wrench set, and it comes in a tool bag, and you can see from everything, you know, it comes with a lot of stuff. The model number on this is SPW23SET. Now this is kind of pricey. Advertised price on this is $300, and you know, that's a lot of money for, you know, for some adjustable wrenches and stuff like that. But if you were to buy this stuff from your Matco guy, you're gonna spend way more than that. This is a limited edition set, and I don't know if you can still get this or not. It came out around Christmas time. And yeah, so this was a promotion from them. If you guys follow Matco Tools on Instagram, if you don't, I highly recommend you follow Matco Tools on Instagram, because they are always doing promotions on there, and there's stuff that you'll find. Yeah, sorry about that. This GoPro, don't get me started. I don't even know how frustrated I am with the GoPros and how big a piece. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, so the GoPro acted up again. But anyway, like I was saying, this is a 23-piece set. If you were to buy this and buy the stuff individually, you're going to spend way more money than $300 to put this together if you went on the truck and you pieced this together. And like I was mentioning, on Instagram, Matco Tools, they have a page, and there's a lot of limited edition, there's promotions on there and stuff like that that you're not going to see in the sale papers, in the monthly flyers. So they advertise stuff on there as a way of getting stuff out, and you know, you talk to your driver and he'll hook you up on that stuff. But this was a great deal. Like I said, it's $300, limited edition. I don't know if you can still get it or not, but nonetheless, I'm gonna open it up and let's take a look at it firsthand. So before I open it up, let's just show everything that you get. You get, let me see if it gives us like some specifications. I don't know how easily you guys can make this stuff out, but we're getting 4 adjustable wrenches, a 6-inch, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. We're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pliers, a whole bunch of pliers. I'm not even going to name them all off to you, but let's just go down the list. So we've got adjustable wrench, 6-inch, adjustable wrench, 8-inch, adjustable wrench, 10-inch, and a 12-inch, 5-inch curved jaw locking pliers, 6-inch long nose locking pliers, 7-inch curved jaw locking pliers, 9-inch long nose locking pliers, 10-inch curved jaw locking pliers, 10-inch straight jaw locking pliers, 11-inch hose grip pliers, 5/16 inch, 11-inch hose grip pliers, 1/2 inch, 11-inch hose grip pliers, 3/4 inch, and then 11-inch long nose pliers. Then we get 11-inch long nose bent 45 degree, long nose bent 90 degree, 6.5-inch mini bent long nose pliers, 6.5-inch mini long nose pliers, 6-inch mini diagonal pliers, 6-inch diagonal cutters, 8-inch slip joint pliers, 6-inch long nose pliers, and a 10-inch tongue and groove pliers. So that's a list of everything that comes in the kit. There's your picture of everything. Let's see if we can open it up and take a look. And this stuff is all, just so you guys know, this is high quality stuff. I mean, this box probably weighs 30 pounds. So this isn't light flimsy crap. This is good high quality. This is all Matco stuff. And yeah, you can tell it quality over garbage. You know, you get a pair of channel locks or something like that, or adjustable wrenches from Harbor Freight, and you can tell they're garbage. This even comes with a nice little tool bag to keep everything in, which I like. Let's set that aside. Let's just start checking this stuff out. So you got the little, these are all the vice grips. Adjustable wrenches, and just the adjustable wrenches, just so you guys know, if you're not up on Matco prices, I paid over $100. Yeah, like I started to say, I paid over $100 just for the adjustable wrenches, for the 4-piece adjustable wrenches. So like I said, you cannot build this kit for what they're selling this at. I mean, it's just, you can't do it. I mean, pretty much as a rule of thumb, you go on a Matco truck, and any of this stuff is pretty much 25 bucks a pop if you try to buy it individually. You know, and you're talking 23 pieces. I mean, you know, like I said, I mean, you can go at, you know, 15, 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, 25, whatever. I mean, just, you know, it's $20 bills every time you walk on the truck. So, here's everything. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna unbag everything and throw it in the tool bag and all that stuff. I'm not gonna bug you, you know, bore you guys with stuff like that. But this is a great toolkit. I mean, if somebody's starting off, or they're wanting to upgrade or whatever, or you're wanting to add a little portable bag, you know, you can throw in your truck or whatever when you're going on the road. That's why I bought this. I have all this stuff already in my primary box at the shop, but I had to take advantage of the sale, and I got this because it's, like I said, you cannot buy this and build this set for $300. It's just, it's a no-brainer. You're really, I hate to say it, but you're stupid if you don't buy it, because it's that good of a price. So yeah, 300 bucks, and part number is SPW23SET, and this is from my guys over at Matco Tools. And yeah, I mean, like I say in the past, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, because I do these reviews a lot, and I'm a big Matco tool guy, and I buy a lot of Matco tools, and Matco takes care of me. They give me stuff to do these videos, and I need to pay it forward, and I want to show you guys what kind of company they are, and what, like I said, I just want to show you what kind of company they are and the products that they sell. And you can't go wrong with Matco Tools. So please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Any suggestions or comments, please put them below, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.